If you want to learn how to add contacts on Telegram quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a new contact inside Telegram so you can start chatting faster without any confusion. This is a simple tutorial, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it really easy to follow along. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or device. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where Telegram keeps a lot of its important options. From the menu, tap on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list where you can view people already saved in Telegram. If the person you want to talk to isn't there yet, that's where the next step comes in. Now tap Add Contact. Telegram will open a form where you can enter the details for the new contact. In the first name field, type the person's first name, but that part is optional. Then enter their phone number carefully, because Telegram uses that number to identify the contact. Take a moment to double check everything before continuing. Make sure the name is spelled correctly and the phone number is accurate. This helps avoid adding the wrong person or creating confusion later. Once the details are filled in, tap Create. On some devices or versions of Telegram, the button may appear slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You're confirming the new contact and saving it to Telegram. After that, Telegram will add the contact to your list. If that person is already using Telegram, you'll be able to start chatting with them right away. You can open the contact and send a message just like you would with any other Telegram conversation. If they're not using Telegram yet, the contact will still be saved so you're ready when they join. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add contacts on Telegram in just a few simple steps. It's a quick process, but it's really useful if you want to organize your conversations and connect with people faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.